Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather and today we are going to talk about the Gripped Equalizer V3 gym headphone. I was using this headphone since last few days continuously while going to the gym, and in this video I'm going to share the review of this device along with a quick unboxing. So let's have a look on why it's the best gym headphone and all of its pros and cons. So let's just start it. Equalizer V3 comes in this retail box. Here you can have a look on the headphone. There is Gripped Fitness Audio branding. Equalizer V3, the headphone we got inside is matte black in color, and this is a wireless gym headphone. So you can see that Gripped is putting emphasis on the gym and fitness again and again. Even in the brand name and also in the description, the gym and fitness words are mentioned. On the left side of the box, we got information that what are the content we got. So there is an Equalizer V3 headphone, carry pouch, microfiber cleaning cloth is provided as well, 3.5mm audio cable, that's an aux cable if you want to go wired instead of wireless. There is micro USB charging cable provided as well, and then there is a user manual. Here is the picture of all of this stuff, and then there is some information about the specs and features of the headphone. So this is an on-ear headphone. The headphone is made of metal alloy, ABS and protein leather. The drivers used in the speakers, they are 40mm dynamic driver. Equalizer V3 comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and it supports up to 10 meter of range. The audio frequency supported is from 20 to 20 kilohertz, and this is the audible range for human beings. And there are dual microphone. Battery is capable of providing 10 hours of playtime. Equalizer V3 is designed for iPhone and it is also compatible with Android smartphones. So this is what you will find after opening the box. Here is a carrying case provided, and the headphones are inside this pouch itself. There is the USB cable and the 3.5mm aux cable is provided. Here is Gripped Fitness Audio branding. There is the user manual, and here is a pouch. So we got a pouch, we got a case, the headphone, the USB cable, 3.5mm audio cable, user manual. So these are the content we got inside the retail box. So first of all, let's talk about why the Equalizer V3 is a gym headphone and why the brand call itself Gripped. So as the name suggests, the most highlighted feature of the Equalizer V3 is the grip. When we are in gym, we are doing lots of exercise, cardio, jumping here and there, lifting weights with different movement. If the grip of your headphone is not good, it will come in the way and it will distract you, and also it will reduce your performance in the gym. But the best part about Gripped Equalizer V3 is the grip of the device is so nice. I used it every time I went to the gym, performed different kind of exercise on different day, and it never fell off my head, and it was really comfortable every time I used it, doesn't matter how long. The second reason why it's a gym headphone, because it is a sweat proof or sweat resistance headphone. When we're in gym, most of us, we get very sweaty and you will get lots of sweat here on the earpiece, and many times it damages headphone. But with Gripped Fitness Audio, you can be sure that your headphone is going to last long without facing any issue because of the sweat. The reason number third is the comfort. As I said earlier, it's really comfortable. I was able to use it for long without having any issue and discomfort. So first of all, let's have a look on the design of Equalizer V3. So the design of Equalizer V3 is minimalist and it looks really great. The Equalizer V3 we got here is matte black, as you can see here, but it also comes in many vibrant colors and also in gloss finish and matte finish. So depending on your color preference and choice, you can get any of them. As mentioned earlier, it is made of metal alloy, ABS, and the cushion is made of wireless protein. So at the top you can see there is Gripped branding. On the side there is the Gripped Fitness Audio logo. As you can see here, Equalizer V3 branding. Same goes on the another side as well. The difference between these two sides is that one of the Gripped logo is clickable. So here are the buttons provided, not on this side. As you can see here, it's bigger compared to this one as well. There are three buttons basically: volume up, volume down, and you can press the GFA logo, for example, once to play and pause, twice to skip a track to go to the next one, 3 times to return back to the previous track. This is a useful feature and it works perfectly each time. Equalizer V3 is foldable, so you can just fold your headphones like this and then you can keep it in this pouch. There is a 3.5mm audio jack provided that you can use with the provided 3.5mm aux cable. Convert your Equalizer V3 into a wired headphone instead of wireless. Here is a USB port provided to charge the battery of the headphone. This is the power on off key, and this is the only drawback of the design of Equalizer V3 I have found. This is very tiny, as you can see, and it needs to be pressed really hard to turn on the device and turn it off. Actually, in the beginning I was thinking that my unit is faulty and because of that the device is not turning on, but when I pressed hard and harder, after that the headphone start working. So once you know this fact, it's not a big deal. You can just press it a bit hard and then it will work perfectly each time. But it could be better, and Crypt could provide an easy to switch on or switch off mechanism. The cushions on the earphones and also on this part are really soft and comfortable, and because of that you can use the Equalizer V3 in gym for longer time without having any issue or discomfort. The best part is that Equalizer V3 is sweat proof, so it doesn't matter how much sweat you get here, you do not need to worry about the safety of your V3. Sometimes my Equalizer V3 was really full of sweat on this part, but still it's performing good, there is no damage. So the sweat resistance on Equalizer V3 works really nice. And if you spend lots of time in gym and get sweaty a lot, then you can even use the sweat socks on your Equalizer V3 for better comfort and grip. Since the gripped headphones are designed for the gym goers, it comes with lots of accessories and merchandise as well. For example, as we have just seen, the sweat socks, and you will also find lots of vest, caps, skull caps available by Crypt for yourself. For example, here is a nice cap that I got from Crypt along with this review unit. Crypt is not only about the headphone but your complete gym experience. Now let's talk about the performance and sound quality. As you can see, this is an on-ear headphone, it's not over the ear. You put it on your ear, but the good part is that even though it's on-ear headphone, the sound isolation is really nice. While using it in gym, most of the time I was not able to listen any normal sound except the really loud ones. So even though it is an on-ear headphone and it does not come with noise cancellation, the sound isolation is really good and it helps in concentrating on your workout while you are in gym. Talking about the sound quality, it's really good, it's crisp and clear, but it lacks the bass a bit. So if you are a bass head, you might dislike the Equalizer V3 a bit, but if you prefer better quality audio with good amount of detail, you will like Equalizer V3, but if you are a bass head, you might dislike it. Talking about the connectivity, it comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and the connection range is up to 10 meters. So I was able to use my Equalizer V3 in my gym without having an issue in any direction, in any range, nearly as far as 10 to 11 meters for sure. Sometimes while playing music, I noticed that the songs are skipping now and then, and it's mostly happening while listening the music right after connection. So like it was happening mostly in the very first song I was playing, but after like 15-30 seconds it will be okay. But in the beginning, for some weird reason, there was some skipping now and then, some connection issue or whatever you would like to call it, but it gets better very quickly for sure. The last point is the battery life. Crypt claims that with Equalizer V3 you will get 10 hours of battery life. It does not mention the capacity of the battery used in Equalizer V3 but only the hours, but the good thing is that that claim is totally true. Since I got Equalizer V3, I charged it just once and I went to gym for 8 or 9 times since then, and each time I used it for nearly 1 hour, sometimes more than 1 hour, up to 1.5 hours. So I'm sure that in last 8 or 9 times I used it for 10 hours at least to listen music wirelessly using my phone. So the 10 hours of battery life claimed by GFA is really correct, and you will get 8 or 9 hours of battery life for sure, even if my calculation is wrong. So after using Crypt Equalizer V3 for a while and comparing it with my other headphones that I was using earlier in the gym, I can say this with confidence that this is the best headphone available for the gym goers right now. The grip of the headphone is really perfect, and it doesn't matter what kind of exercise you are doing in the gym, it will be on your head all the time without causing any discomfort or distraction to you. The design of Equalizer V3 is really good. The material used in the production of Equalizer V3 is of top quality. It comes with metal alloy ABS and leather protein, and the cushions are really comfortable, and you can use this headphone in gym for long without having any issues or discomfort. The battery life of Equalizer V3 is really impressive, and you can use it for a week without charging at all if you go to gym like 4 or 5 times in a week. So if you're looking for a great gym headphone for yourself, then Equalizer V3 is the best option currently available for you, and I have provided a link in the description of this video below. So if you're interested, you can click on it and buy it for yourself to have a great session in the gym. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.